chicken stick with white sauce. Step 1, let's go. Boneless chicken, fillet 300 grams, salt 1/2 Tbsp or as required, black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, paprika powder 1/2 Tbsp, crushed red pepper 1/2 teaspoon, oregano powder 1/4 Tbsp, parsley 1/2 Tbsp, garlic powder 1/2 Tbsp, Worcestershire sauce 1 Tbsp, olive oil 2 Tbsp, mustard paste 1/2 Tbsp heaped. Mix. Rest it for 1 hour. Step 2, let's go. Grease pan with olive oil. Grill from both sides. So tempting. Step 3, let's go. Olive oil 1 Tbsp, broccoli 1 cup, red capsicum 1/4 cup, yellow capsicum 1/4 cup, green capsicum 1/4 cup, peas 1/2 cup, salt 1/4 Tbsp, black pepper 1/4, soy sauce 1 Tbsp, honey 1 Tbsp. Sauté veggies. Done. Step 4, let's go. Olive oil 1 Tbsp, flour 1 Tbsp, sauté. Turn off the flame. Then add milk 1 cup. Mix. Cream 1/4 cup. Black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Salt 1/4 Tbsp. Oregano 1/4 Tbsp. Crushed red pepper 1/4 Tbsp. Turn on the flame and then mix. Done. Enjoy with your kids and family.